Hi everybody, regarding this video I would like to explain about the Huma-Air quick contact fill probe. For sure you can using only one instead of many quick contact fill probe. You can using only one for 2 or 3 type of rifles. This model is for FX, Hudson, Kral, Webley and other one. It's very easy. Just in 1 second you can change by this way your rifle. So by this you can using for FX, Hudson, Kral, Webley and the other one you can see for other type of rifle. So only you should have a micro bore fill hose plus Foster female, all made by Huma-Air and very easy to change your rifle. It's very strong and the material is stainless steel and for sure is very strong, not be broken, very easy when you want to tie and open. No need to change every time for charging your rifle. Only you can using one for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 4 brand of airgun. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.